everyone, it's Lynette with Grammy Crochet, and today is December 8th, Vlogmas Day 8, and today is the day that we pick the winner for giveaway. And I'll do that in just a few minutes without too much stalling and whatever going on. But I did want to say that I still have not gotten any crochet done in the last 2 days. I haven't picked up my hooks, but I will be crocheting some today. We have Ari and Avery are in a dance recital today, so we're off to that shortly. But I did bake yesterday, and so just on a tangent of crochet, I make a pretty mean chocolate chip cookie. My husband loves them. Everybody loves them. Knock on wood, not to brag, but that is one thing that I make that's really good. And sometimes we like to do a little twist on the chocolate chip cookies. My husband never likes those as much, but they can be really good. So I just want to say that yesterday we added trail mix to the cookies. We did not put just chips in them. We didn't put any, like you put 2 cups of chocolate chips. And I'm going to tell you, the best chocolate chip cookie recipe is to use the Toll House cookie recipe right on the back of the Toll House bag. You don't have to use the Toll House chips. You can go with cheaper chips, but use the recipe on the back of the Toll House bag and follow it verbatim. If it says add a little at a time, add a little at a time. Don't just throw everything in there. You're not going to get the same result. It took me 25 years to figure that out, but it's true. Add a little, just follow it as it says. If it says add the flour a little at a time and beat in between, do that. You will get a much better cookie. So yesterday, Amanda says, why don't we add trail mix? And we did. I had homemade trail mix. It has little mini chips. It has peanut butter, M&Ms. It had sunflower seeds, walnuts, pecans, slivered almonds, cranberry, the dried, like you put in your salad, cranberries and blueberries. And let me tell you, the cookie is fabulous. It is, like every cookie is unique because you never know what of those things you're going to get in your cookie. Really a cool, yummy. Cool good. Really good. You need to make these if you bake it all. I'm going to give you the best trick ever for baking cookies. I store cookies in a bag most of the time. Stack them up in a Ziploc bag. Put a piece of bread in with your cookies. My grandmother always used to put a piece of bread in with her brown sugar to keep it soft, because the brown sugar, hardens into a rock. Put a piece of bread in there. Even if you have brown sugar that's already hard, put a piece of bread in there, it'll soften up. But you have to seal it up. The sugar gets hard because it sticks together and then it dries out. And if you put a piece of bread in there, it'll absorb the moisture from the bread and soften your sugar back up. Same principle. If your cookies are hard, put a piece of bread in with your sealed up cookies in a bag and they will soften. And even if you overcook them a little bit in there, try it. It works wonders. I always put a piece of bread. And I make those peanut butter cup, in the little tassies, you put the peanut butter cookie dough and then you put the Reese cup in there. And sometimes those get hard. Put parchment paper, and I stack those. So you put a piece of parchment paper so you don't get cookie crumbs all over your chocolate, works. But you need the cookies need to be able to absorb the moisture of the bread. So that's that. Tips 1 and 2 for cookie baking. Don't overcook. That's okay. Maybe try the trail mix. That's just a fun thing to try. But always store your cookies with a piece of bread and never overbake. Underbake first, because they will continue to bake for a minute or so after you take them off of the cookie sheet. They'll stiffen up. So don't overbake. Don't bake them till they're done, because then they're overbaked when they come off the cookie sheet. So those are my cookie baking tips for this year. So now I think the only other thing we need to do is talk about the winner. Just as a reminder, you're getting this. It says it's the most wonderful time of the year coffee mug. You're getting the beads that are, I would use as buttons, that are white. And you're getting the 6 skeins of the Woolies Thick and Quick. The color is Spartan. And it works up real nice. You can see the pictures. It works up real nice. Just makes me cough. So, nice yarn, 6 skeins. You have to be subscribed and all that stuff. And she is. So, I did pick the winner on the random YouTube comment picker. There were 258 unique comments. The comment, you had to put what you're making for Christmas gifts, what's on your hook, something to that effect. And she is making coasters for her office co-workers, and at that particular time last week, she also had a hat cast on. So she must knit as well as hopefully crochet, but either way, it doesn't matter. I don't care. I'm not bi-stitchable myself, but anybody that is, more power to you. So anyway, the winner whose comment was that is Lynn's Perspective. So Lynn, if you will kindly send me an email to my email address, which will be posted sometime soon at the bottom of the video. It is posted on my other videos as well. charmgrammycrochet@gmail.com. I need your mailing information, and I will send that out to you. Hopefully, the sooner the better. We are going to be away, so if you want to get it soon, you got to get it before I leave. Just send me that email, and I will get out your stuff to you. I don't think I had anything else on the agenda today. Just wanted to give you my baking tips. I wish I could share the cookie. Rosie, I'm not done baking, so I will try to, maybe I'll do a dining room with the cookies out video once I'm done, but I'm going to make a couple more cookies, so I don't know if I'll get any done today, but this cookie, pretty darn good. I wish I could share it with you. I wish you had smell-o-vision and taste-o-vision and taste YouTube, whatever. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, have a great yarny day. I hope you get some time to crochet and enjoy your holidays. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.